Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create an empty database using SSMS. For that I have already opened SSMS. So you have to click on connect to database engine, or you can directly click on this icon. So server type is database engine. Server name, in my case it is localhost. Authentication, have two types of authentication. One is Windows authentication and SQL Server authentication. If you are selecting SQL Server authentication, you have to specify login name and password. So I am selecting Windows authentication and click on connect. Expand the databases. You can see no database has been created. For creating a database, click on databases, right click on it. You can see option called new database. Click on that. Here we have three options. One is general and options and file group. So first we will go through general. In general it is asking for database name. I am giving it as my database. Owner, I am giving it as default owner. Database file. So here we have two types of files. One is log file and one is data file. So my database, it is a MDF file. So I am giving here is my database .mdf. It's a data file, and here another we have log file. So for that I'm giving it as my database underscore log .ldf. So we have initial size. By default it will be 8. If you want we can change it. Here maximum auto growth. If you want we can change it this too. So we can change it. I'm giving it as default one. And the path location, and we'll go to options. Here we can see collision. It will be in English by default. If we want we can change it. So I'm giving it as default one. And recovery model, we have three types of recovery. So I'm selecting full recovery model. Compatibility levels, here it will be in 150. So it is higher version, so it will be in 150. These are the few options they are provided. And file group, nothing to change here. Go to general and click on OK. It will be created, or else you can script it out by clicking on script. The script is getting ready. It will take few minutes. So the script has completed successfully. So we'll minimize this. We can see the script file. So whatever we did, everything get into the script. We can execute it. So execute. So you can see the commands are completed successfully. So let's see the database. Click on database and click on refresh icon. So you can see the empty database has been created. Let's verify it. Click on database, empty database. Right click on it. Go to properties. You can see here in general we have these options: name, database name, type, owner, and the collision. It taken default collision English, and file group. So you can see the owner. If you want, you can change these options as well. That's it. It's so simple to create an empty database. Thanks for watching.